Hey everyone, I'm Mahenoor and welcome back to my channel MahenoorS Glam. Today I'm gonna show you guys my summer makeup tutorial, and here I have also done a colorful eye look. I hope you guys will like the whole makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. At first, I will apply some moisturizer all over my face and my neck, and here I am using the Body Shop's Drops of Light Moisturizer. After that, I will apply Lotus Herbals Safe Sun Sunblock Cream all over my face, and this is SPF 30+, and in summer makeup the most important part is to apply sunblock cream. So whenever you are doing your makeup in this summer, don't forget to apply a sunblock cream. Now I will jump to my base makeup, and at first I will apply some foundation all over my face and my neck, and here I am using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter foundation. And I will blend my foundation with a damp beauty blender. After applying foundation, I will apply concealer under my eyes, on my forehead, and on the other places where applying applying concealer is needed. And I will blend my concealer with the damp beauty blender again. Now I will apply some setting spray to set my base makeup, and I will take a damp beauty blender and dab it all over my face so the base makeup sits really well on my face. So now I will do my colorful eye makeup look for this summer makeup tutorial. Okay, so I have already applied bronzer and blush off camera, and finally I will apply some setting spray all over my face to set the makeup. And last but not least, I will apply my highlighter on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, and on my cupid's bow. And as always, the highlighter is shining. And I will apply some lipstick also. So ta-da! My summer makeup look is done. I hope you guys will like this look. So don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe. Sayonara!